I've never been one for regretting. Oh no, folks taught me to go out and get it. Oh yeah, morning news only brings you down. That's right. Friend next door says, girl, go rock your pearls and crowns. Say hi. Best friend called trash talking about a man. She's my girl, but petty talk, no, I'm not a fan. You can rise, you can rise.